for his 5th Formula E pole position. It'll be Bird or Verne at the front of the grid for the Marrakesh E-Prix later on today. And we're on board into turn 1.
Lovely.
Got it in.
Lovely. What can you say about that? That was textbook.
Now down into turn 3.
Late on the brakes.
Oh! I thought he was sliding more than he was
He
there.
nearly recovered it in the middle. He had to wait a little bit in the middle. What is the first split?
It's quickest! Sam Bird, fastest of anyone in Sector 1.
Crikey.
Here he comes now, down towards turn 7. That's the insight we pay you for.
Dancing all the way in the brakes.
Whoa! So close to the wall.
And again.
What does the driver do in this situation, Dario? Do you try to adjust to the fact that you'll have less downforce, or do you just go ahead and do what you normally do and
Do your
react?
best. You can feel the grip level where it is, and you just drive to the grip level if you
Here
can.
comes the middle sector split, and he's 700ths up.
That's going to be close. Nice
One
through
more
there,
corner
Jack.
to go, right up towards the wall. Here comes turn 12. It'll be Verne or Bird on pole position. He's right and straddles the curb. And it's pole! Sam Bird's 5th pole position. One of his best.
Procedure, power 8,
No
full
doubt.
in-lap procedure. Keep an eye on your dash.
Incredible.
Keep
Well
an eye on
done.
your
Well,
dash.
guys are going to be running into
Power
each other
9 if
apart
you
from
need
me
it.
all the time now.
Yeah, very good. Exactly right.
Okay, so we got it right.
Sam, ever the pessimist. We got it.
Yeah.
Right.
Should say you did.
Fantastic job. Well
Just a
done.
reminder, 120% sectors, 120% sectors. Keep an eye on your dash. Full in-lap procedure, and well done, mate. Fantastic.
Well done, boys. Well done, mechanics. Great turnaround. Great turnaround, boys.
They had the water pump.
Yeah.
They had to change the water pump before the session, so fantastic.
That is, so Sam Bird on pole position for the Marrakesh E-Prix with a damaged car.
So, Bird and Verne will be on row 1. Antonio Felix da Costa, Sebastian Buemi on 2. Sims and Evans on 3, followed by Pascal Wehrlein, Robin Franks, Nelson Piquet Jr., and Jerome D'Ambrosio. Good mix of teams up there as well. 11th through 22nd. Problems for both Maxi Gunther and Stoffel van Dorn, who will find themselves on the final row.